This is model of lung proper. You have to identify. This is apex, this is base. Of course, I can't show you in hand. And this is mediastinal surface. Look here. And this is hilus. And this is for heart. This is impression for heart, most important. And you can clearly see the border also. I'll repeat. This is apex, this is base. And this entire part you can see the mediastinal surface. You may identify some groove of trachea and esophagus. We shall discuss this model in detail. This is hilus. This is impression for heart.
I just want to connect this video to the specimen of lung, what I have shown you. I'm going to demonstrate lung in two ways, one by specimen and one by model. Now, what I've shown you today, that is overall lung where you can see apex and base. Now, what examiner will ask? Describe apex. Apex is bit of rounded and base is broad and rest on diaphragm. I'm just going bit slow. We are starting from apex, we are ending with the base. So apex and base. Apex is rounded. Remember, apex is not pointed. Apex is rounded and base rests where? Question mark. Base rests where? That is on diaphragm. Of course, what we are describing in specimen, we are covering in this video. Then there may be viva question or short answer question on hilus of the lung. Look here, this is clear picture of hilus of lung. I'm just magnifying it. Just look at it carefully. Yes. Remember, though this is blue, this is pulmonary artery and this is pulmonary vein. You understand this color difference because reference of carrying deoxygenated and oxygenated blood, which you have already learned in your before your undergraduate. Now next, these are bronchi. Some books have given eparterial, hyparterial, doesn't matter. You have to label it as a bronchi. I have just drawn it to the right side. I want student to practice hilus of left side. Now, these are bronchi. This is pulmonary artery. These are pulmonary veins. And these are lymph nodes. Remember, this is bronchial artery. So bronchial artery supplies nutrition to lung. Then after describing all these things, what examiner can ask you? Yes, examiner may ask you to give general information of the lung. Lungs are primary organs of respiratory system. You may write down this. Lungs are primary organs of respiratory system located in chest on either side of heart. General description. Then you know their function. Taking oxygen, carbon dioxide. But in which way they function, how they take oxygen, and how they release carbon dioxide, I want student to read that. But anyway, we are focusing again on specimen, specimen and specimen. Specimen में क्या होता है? Apex होता है, base होता है. कम से कम आपको इतना बोलना है. Apex is truncated, not pointed. Base is broad, rests on the diaphragm. Now what you have to read after apex and base, you have to read about the surfaces and impressions of lungs. And what I'm focusing, look here, I'm focusing on hilus. So what is present in hilus? That is pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein. Simple. क्या होता है? Pulmonary artery होती है, pulmonary vein. Two finger technique. ये कम से कम इंफॉर्मेशन. आई एम रिपीटिंग. पल्मोनरी आर्टरी, पल्मोनरी वेन, पल्मोनरी आर्टरी, पल्मोनरी वेन. दिस यू हैव टू टेल इन वाइवा एंड दिस यू हैव टू राइट इन एसीक्यू. लुक एट माय फिंगर. सो पल्मोनरी आर्टरी, पल्मोनरी वेन. देन if you can remember more, you may remember bronchi with bronchial artery which provides nutrition. And then never forget lymph nodes. Never forget lymph nodes. So this is typical description. This is typical description. This is not a standard description, but this is exam oriented description of right hilus of the lung. Of course, I want student to read. about the left-sided hilus of the lung. But what I demonstrated in the specimen or model, I want you to get some theory related to the demonstration. Remember, this subject cannot be learnt only at home. That is why I went personally to the Sangamner and I shown you the demonstration of specimen. So ये demonstration के साथ ये थियरी आपको कंबाइन करनी है. यू अंडरस्टैंड. सो जो डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन का वीडियो आपको दिखाया, स्पेसिमेन डेमोन्स्ट्रेट किया है, उसमें एपेक्स मैंने आपको दिखाया है, मैंने फिंगर दिखा के आपको एपेक्स दिखाया है, सॉरी हाइलस दिखाया है. तो ये हाइलस में आपको थेरोटिकली डिस्क्राइब कर रहा हूँ. जो मैंने स्पेसिमेन में दिखाया है, आई एम रिपीटिंग बिट स्लो, जो मैंने स्पेसिमेन में दिखाया है मैं वो आपको थियरी में डिस्क्राइब कर रहा हूँ. So this is hilus of right side. Then examiner may proceed to applied anatomy that we have already given in slide of PowerPoint presentation. You may write infection, that is pneumonia, tuberculosis. You add carcinoma. You may add pneumothorax, P-N-E-U, pneumothorax, pleural effusion. Then bronchogenic carcinoma, secondary metastasis in lung. All this you have to read. But again, this purpose of blackboard presentation is orientation of specimen along with theory. Remember, I am combining practical and theory, practical and theory, practical and theory. मैं बार बार रिपीट करता हूँ, ये सिर्फ ब्लैक बोर्ड पे पढ़ाने का सब्जेक्ट नहीं है, इसलिए मैंने आपको स्पेसिमेन दिखाया और उसके बाद मैं आपको एक्चुअल उसका ब्लैक बोर्ड पे कोरिलेशन दिखा रहा हूँ. सो व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, दैट इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट. व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, फर्स्ट आई हैव शोन यू द स्पेसिमेन and then I am correlating specimen with theory. और कम से कम क्या याद रखना है, pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein, pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein, two finger technique, pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein. Rest, I want you to draw the diagrams which I have given in PowerPoint presentation and attend the lecture completely for at least 1 hour. This is a big lecture.